Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. So today's unbagging is from Paintsomeway, and before I get into this though, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate you all. And welcome to all of my new subscribers. I appreciate you also. And yeah, so do all the YouTubey things, please. Like, subscribe, comment. Please leave me a comment. I enjoy reading them, and I always comment back. Also, if you would like to leave me a question or anything in the comments, please do. If you don't want anybody to read it or whatever, you can shoot me an email. My email is in the description box down at the very bottom. Just scroll. It's always down there along with my Instagram account. Yeah, you can just send me an email and send me a friend request on Instagram. Also, just make sure you hit the like button. It does help my channel to grow. And yeah, so let's get into this unbagging. So I'm just going to randomly pull one out and we'll just go with it. So I hope everybody's having a great day. What's everybody working on? I am still working on the big one that is giving me fits. Honestly, I haven't even messed with it because I'm trying to do my Disney for the Disney event. And I'm trying to get this miniature done. Yeah, I got all kinds of things going on. So, alright. So, this canvas comes with your typical toolkit, which is just a green boat, a dark pink wax, and a single placer pink pen. And this is all you need. Whether you are a beginner or an expert diamond painter, this is all you need to diamond paint. That's it. And then we'll look at these here in just a second. So this is what I got. And she is a special shaped partial. And she is still kind of wrinkly. This is a stiff canvas, and I'm trying to get it flat because I know there is some glare because of this light. So none of this background is going to be diamond painted because it is a partial. But like I said, this is actually called Sexy Beauty. And she is $4.99 on Paintsomeway. So, she is gorgeous. So, we're not going to do the background. We're not going to do her face or any of her skin. We're just going to be doing her headpiece, her jewelry. Well, I guess that's all one piece. Her bra thing, her arm jewelry, arm cuff, whatever that is. She has only got 9 gems, and it does have codes on there. But it's got a code or schematic up here on the top right, and we have one on the bottom left. But isn't she gorgeous? This is going to be really pretty. Alright, let's look at these real quick. I got to make this quick because I am running out of room on my phone. I might have to delete some stuff. Actually, I'd probably just need a bigger Sims card. I don't use this phone for nothing. It's my old phone. All I do is do YouTube videos on it. Alright, so those are gorgeous. Ooh, look at those. And then we have these. Ooh, them are pretty. And we've just got some crystals. Ooh, them are different. They're like a solid color on the bottom, but like, can y'all see that? They almost look like, I don't know what that would be considered. I don't know. I'm wanting to say almost gunmetal color, but I don't. It's like if I get y'all too close, it wants to blur because you can't see the color of it really. It's not a diamond. I don't know. That's a weird color. Those are pretty. This is going to be gorgeous. Going to be sparkly. Very, very sparkly. And it has the canvas number Y068, Y068 right there on the bag of drills. So that way, if you do put your drills somewhere other than with your canvas, you'll find them. Which I used to keep mine together, but then I've accumulated so many canvases that I've had to start separating them. Plus, I put these in a portfolio now to where they flatten out. So, what did I say this was? This is $4.99 on Paintsomeway. So, I'm going to move that, and we're going to go on to the next one. Alright, so the next one I got is another special shape. And again, typical toolkit. Lots of pretty crystals. Okay. And this is what I got. Isn't she pretty? And there are a lot of these. And I might try to get these. I think there's like six of these maybe. 6 different ones of these. But isn't she pretty with that pink hair, her big old blue eyes, and that crown? Wow. So, this is got 11 colors. She is a 30 by 30. None of this is drilled. Just her. And right in here. None of her face or her arms. And she, there's a bump right there. She is called Dancing Peacock Girl Special Shape 30 by 30, and she was also $4.99. Very sticky. Let's look at these drills. Oh my goodness. These are really pretty. You can tell through the package that they're pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're going to start with these first. The crystals. Very pretty. You know there's going to be a lot of this color. And then you got that one. Look, come on. We want to know what you look like. It's just one. At least they could do is send 2 in case this one was messed up. You know it's going to go right there. What if it had a chip in it? Or what if that stuff was scratched off and you could see through it? They don't ever take that into consideration. Look at that. Ooh, isn't that pretty? And then all of those blues. which those are going to go probably right in there. And then these are number 10. And number 10, oh no, number 10, that is number 10. So you're going to tell me, is there more? Looky here, y'all. Looky here. They sent 4 of that. But they only sent 1 of those. Really? Really? Well, you know what though? I'd rather have 3 extras of that because it's so pretty. I ain't gonna gripe. Wouldn't do no good if I did. So anyway, those are pretty. She's gonna be gorgeous. Dancing Peacock Girl. That's what she's called. Dancing Peacock Girl, $4.99. Paintsomeway. Like I said again, I'll put all the links in my description box if they are still available. Hopefully they will be. Okay, so the last thing I got, y'all, is another special canvas. I'm all about these special canvases anymore. They're just easier and quicker to do than the full drills anymore. Okay. Typical. Okay, we'll look at that in a second. So, what did I get? What did I get? This is what I got. Ain't she cute? Alright, let's see if we can get her folded out. Or straightened out, flattened out, whatever you want to call it. I love her hair. That rainbow. Y'all, back at the beginning of the summer, I had my cousin take and try. We were going to do my hair purple. It came more out as a very, very, well, my hair is brown. And when she did my hair, it came more out like a burgundy. I didn't, well, it wasn't what I wanted. I wanted purple, like purple. It didn't come out the way I wanted it. And yeah, you really couldn't tell I had any color in it at all whatsoever. So yeah. But anyway, I was just saying. So anyway, she has got 13 gems and crystals. But she's got a schematic on the top right, bottom left. She is a 30 by 40. But isn't she pretty? Look at all of her different shapes she's going to have. Look at her hair. Look at that. None of this is done. Okay, now she's called, on Paintsomeway, she is called Partial Special Shaped Winged Elf Girl. She was $5.99, and let's look at the gems. I just love her hair. Okay. So look, I guess if I need an extra one of them for the other one, there they are right there. Okay. So we've got those. We've got stars, which are going to go right here in her wings. We've got those. Ooh, look at that. Those are so pretty. Ooh, we got some half white pearls. We've got clear. We've got some hot pink. Ooh, look at that purple. See, that's almost the color I wanted my hair. I ain't kidding. That's how I wanted my hair. It didn't come out that color. Like I said, you could barely even tell that I even had color on my hair. I was so disappointed. But I was smiling. I was like, oh yeah, I like it. Yeah. Look, aren't those gorgeous? And then some smaller white. That is so pretty. I bet these are going to go on her. I bet they're going to go on their number 2s. No. They're going to go outline. Some's going to be in her hair, her jewelry. Man, these are just going to be scattered. Wow. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Yeah. I'm glad I got her. I've seen her for a while, and I never really... I've started a couple times to put her in my shopping cart, and I didn't. But I'm glad I did, because she is gorgeous. She really is. Y'all, I had that in a 3, and I put it in a 4. So what do y'all think so far? Well, this is my last one. But I think she's gorgeous. So, yeah. So, like I said, I will put these in the description box. And hopefully they will still be in... they'll still have them. And y'all can go over and get one if you're interested. And y'all go check out Paintsomeway. They've got their fall, Halloween, and Christmas canvases out up front. As soon as you go onto the website, you know, they've got them on that front page. Plus, they have all their other new items. They've got, well, they have just got everything. There's no way I could sit here and tell you everything that company has, because they have got so many things. So, best thing you can do is just go to Paintsomeway and check it out yourself. So, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know which one's your favorite, or have any of y'all done any of these. Let me know. So, alright, so until my next video, I hope you're all well. I hope you're enjoying your weather. And, yeah, do all the YouTubey things. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.